20 classic cars, all priced under $3,000. Some run, some don't, but every one has a story worth seeing. Let's get started. Number 1. 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Priced at $1,500, this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible is located in Dearborn, Michigan. Finished in red with an automatic transmission, it appears to be a complete project car that has been sitting and is now being offered strictly as is. According to the seller, the Cadillac does not run or drive, so transportation will be required. No major damage was noted, but it is clearly a non-running restoration project that will need mechanical attention before it can return to the road. Number 2. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe 2D. Offered for $2,850 in Crystal Lake, Illinois, this 1978 Cadillac Eldorado by Ritz shows 89,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It was reportedly rescued from a junkyard and still retains several factory options, including the original 8-track and CB radio. The seller says the car runs, drives, and stops, although it has been sitting for several years. Carburetor tuning is recommended, there is some light rust, and it will need paint and bodywork. A clean title is included, making it a realistic restoration candidate.
Number 3. 1946 Chevrolet Classic Sedan 4D. This 1946 Chevrolet Fleetmaster sedan is listed for $3,000 in Cass City, Michigan. It comes with an automatic transmission and has already received several maintenance upgrades, including new brake lines, a fuel tank, fresh oil, new taillights, and an electronic distributor conversion. The seller states the Chevrolet runs and drives, but it currently does not stop because the right rear brake wheel cylinder has failed. The frame is described as spotless, the title is in the seller's name, and the interior is included, making this an unfinished but running project. Number 4. 1979 Jeep Cherokee Sport Utility 4D. Located in Glen Burnie, Maryland, this 1979 Jeep Cherokee is offered for $3,000 and shows approximately 114,169 miles. Equipped with an AMC 360 V8, automatic transmission, and full-time four-wheel drive, it spent several years being driven occasionally before being parked. After a replacement carburetor was installed, the engine reportedly never ran as well as it did before. The battery is now dead, so the Jeep may or may not run. It has rust, older paint, replacement floor panels, and a solid-looking interior, making it an honest project rather than a ready-to-drive truck.
Number 5. 1975 Ford Ranchero. Priced at $1,500, this 1975 Ford Ranchero is located in Washington, North Carolina. Finished in blue with a white roof and side stripe, the truck still presents as a recognizable classic despite showing its age. The paint is faded, the left rear tire is flat, the rear brakes are locked, and there is no title. Based on the seller's description, it should be viewed as a restoration project that will require both mechanical repairs and paperwork before returning to the road. Number 6. 1978 Toyota Celica GT Liftback 2D. This 1978 Toyota Celica GT Liftback is available for $2,000 in Bassett, Virginia. It shows 177,000 miles, features a 5-speed manual transmission, and has been modified with a turbocharged 20R engine, a Ford 9-inch rear axle, and a 4-link suspension. The seller says the car ran when it was parked, but it has been sitting for several years. Its current operating condition is unknown, so buyers should expect to inspect and recommission the vehicle before attempting to drive it.
Number 7. 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport. Offered for $1,200 in Bainbridge, Pennsylvania, this 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport is described as a restorable project. It still retains its original 400 V8 engine and automatic transmission, along with factory air conditioning. The seller notes that what you see is what is included, and the car does not have a title.
Its originality may appeal to restoration enthusiasts, but it should be expected to need significant work before returning to service. Number 8. 1966 Chrysler New Yorker 2-door. Listed for $3,000 in St. Clair, Michigan, this 1966 Chrysler New Yorker shows 62,000 miles and has spent roughly 25 years in storage after previously living in Arizona. The long-term indoor storage appears to have helped preserve much of the car. The seller reports that the 383 V8 turns over by hand, although there are currently no keys. The trunk has not yet been opened, and some trim pieces may still be inside. Overall, it appears to be a clean, long-stored project awaiting inspection and recommissioning. Number 9. 1953 Studebaker Commander. This 1953 Studebaker Commander is offered for $3,000 in Archdale, North Carolina. It features a manual transmission and has already received several replacement parts, including new tires, wheels, exhaust, and brakes, along with a Buick Nailhead engine swap. The interior has been damaged by fire, and the seller is advertising the vehicle for parts. While several components appear usable, it should not be considered a running, road-ready vehicle in its current condition. Number 10. 1965 Kit Car 2-door Roadster. Priced at $2,250, this 1965 Kit Car Roadster is located in St. Clair, Michigan. Built with a Studebaker engine and front frame assembly, it features a tilt front end and represents an unusual custom project. The seller believes it was driven at one time, but it needs extensive restoration. Most importantly, the vehicle comes with no title and no paperwork, so buyers should treat it as a major project that will require both mechanical work and documentation research before it can return to the road.
Number 11. 1976 Ford F-250 Highboy. Offered for $3,000, this 1976 Ford F-250 Highboy is located in Rocky Mount, Virginia. It has an automatic transmission and has been modified with a 1977 body and a 1979 front grille. The original 360 V8 has also been replaced with a 390 engine. According to the seller, the truck was running and driving well before the body swap began. The project was never completed, and not everything has been reconnected since the work started. The floors will need replacement, but the rest of the body is described as solid. That suggests the truck still has a decent foundation, although structural repairs are part of the project. Overall, this is an unfinished highboy build rather than a ready-to-drive truck. Anyone considering it should expect to complete the body swap, reconnect the remaining components, and finish the mechanical work before putting it back on the road. Number 12. 1970 Fiat Sport 850. Priced at $850, this 1970 Fiat Sport 850 is located in Columbus, Ohio. Showing 73,000 miles, it has a manual transmission and is being sold as a small convertible project. The seller provides very little history, noting only that the tires hold air and the convertible top is still present. No additional mechanical information is available. One important detail is that the car does not have a title, so ownership paperwork will need to be addressed before any registration process can begin. Based on the listing, this should be viewed as a low-cost restoration project. Buyers should expect to inspect every major system themselves, since the overall condition is largely unknown.
Number 13. 1978 Ford F-100. This 1978 Ford F-100 long bed is offered for $3,000 in Salters, South Carolina. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the truck is described as having a solid body that would make a suitable restoration candidate. The seller clearly states that the truck is not running or drivable, although an engine is included with the sale. While the body is said to be in good overall shape, it will still need care and restoration work before returning to service. Transportation will also be required because it cannot currently be driven. Overall, this is a straightforward project truck with a solid starting point, but buyers should plan on mechanical repairs and restoration work before it becomes roadworthy.
Number 14. 1978 Chevrolet 2500 Regular Cab Long Bed. Located in Mechanicsburg, Ohio, this 1978 Chevrolet K20 4x4 is listed for $2,500. It features a 366 big block V8 with a performance camshaft, Holley carburetor, 4-speed manual transmission, transfer case, and a 4-inch suspension lift. The seller says the engine last ran about 4 years ago, before the project was put aside. It currently needs the electric fuel pump reinstalled before any attempt is made to get it running again. The truck has a clean title, and the bed is currently sitting loose on the frame rather than being fully mounted. It remains an unfinished build that will require additional assembly. Overall, this K20 offers a solid collection of heavy-duty components, but it should be considered a mechanical project that will need time and work before returning to regular use.
Number 15. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Priced at $1,850, this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is located in Strafford, Missouri. Showing 100,000 miles, the car is being sold as a restoration project after the seller decided to restore another Camaro instead. The most significant issue is that it does not have an engine or transmission. The rear floor pans need replacement, while the frame rails, quarter panels, trunk floor, and front floors are described as being in better condition. The car had previously been converted toward a drag racing build, with welded subframe connectors and the rear seat area removed. Some interior pieces, including the dash pad, steering column, and door panels, are still included. Overall, this is not a complete car ready for assembly. It is better suited for someone looking for a solid project shell with an existing title and a foundation for a custom restoration. Number 16. 1962 Cadillac DeVille Sedan 4D. This 1962 Cadillac DeVille sedan is available for $1,000 in Hiram, Georgia. Finished in black with a green interior, it is being offered as a complete restoration project. The seller describes the body as solid and notes that the complete interior is still present, which can be difficult to find on cars of this age. The Cadillac is missing both the engine and transmission, and the floors will also require replacement. It is being sold with a bill of sale only, with no title included. Overall, this is a very affordable project intended for someone planning a full rebuild or custom build rather than a quick repair.
Number 17. 1964 Ford F100. Offered for $3,000, this 1964 Ford F100 is located in Rocky Mount, Virginia. It shows 26,000 miles and is equipped with the larger 262 inline-6 engine backed by a 3-speed column-shift manual transmission. The truck is described as having heavy patina while remaining fairly solid overall. Its appearance reflects its age rather than a recent restoration. According to the seller, it needs brake work, the third member reinstalled, a fuel line fitted, and the front leaf springs addressed before returning to service. Overall, this F100 appears to be an honest mechanical project with much of its original character still intact, but several repairs remain before it can be driven reliably.
Number 18. 1966 Pontiac Catalina. Listed for $1,800, this 1966 Pontiac Catalina is located in Boonville, Mississippi. It shows 68,231 miles, has an automatic transmission, and was originally equipped with factory air conditioning. The seller states the car was running when it was parked, although it has since been sitting and will require inspection before attempting to start it again. It is described as being fairly complete overall, but it also needs a good amount of work, with no indication that it is currently roadworthy. Overall, this Catalina is best viewed as a restoration project that appears largely complete, giving the next owner a solid place to begin.
Number 19. 1956 Pontiac 860 4-door. This 1956 Pontiac 860 4-door is offered for $2,000 in Wetumpka, Alabama. Powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission, the car is described as being very straight and remarkably complete. The seller notes that all of the exterior trim is still present, while the carburetor has already been rebuilt and the engine turns over freely by hand. Rust is reported in the driver's floor pan and the passenger side rocker panel, but only 2 major rust areas are specifically mentioned. Overall, the seller believes the car may not require extensive work to become a runner again, making it a realistic restoration project with many original components still intact.
Number 20. 1948 Dodge Custom 4S. Priced at $1,500, this 1948 Dodge Custom 4S is located in Frankfort, West Virginia. Showing 96,142 miles, it includes a title and spent decades stored under a barn roof after being parked around 1970. The seller confirms the Dodge is not running, although it has recently been moved into an area where it can be loaded easily onto a trailer. The wheels still roll, the tires remain mounted despite being dry-rotted, and nearly all of the exterior chrome trim appears to be included. The interior is also described as being in decent condition considering its long storage. Overall, this is a long-term storage project that will require complete mechanical recommissioning before returning to the road. However, its completeness, included title, and largely intact condition provide a solid starting point for a full restoration. Which project would you take home? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy honest classic car finds and realistic project builds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.